Tusco started focusing on building custom retail displays and store fixtures in 1979, and today the business has expanded some 800% to serve over 400 clients and now occupies a physical plant that spans over 110,000 square feet.
Over the years, we have rapidly grown from a supplier of telecommunication products to providing custom manufactured and fabricated parts and services to the international telecom industry. Our overriding goal is to lead the industry with high-quality products provided at the lowest possible costs and with the fastest turnaround times. Initially, our primary concerns were security, reliability, functionality, and cost. Our previous ERP system only provided detailed analytics at the end of each month, and we relied far too much on employees to fill data gaps along the way.
All along, we knew we had to find a better way to gain an advantage in the marketplace and keep up technology-wise. So, in 2013, we switched from on-premises ERP to ERP in the cloud. It addressed our needs for end-user friendliness, a less challenging training curve, and better reporting abilities.
It tracks everything, including the amount of material used, so we can now better control inventory and predict shortages well before supplies are depleted. All our employees have to do is log in and concentrate on quality and production quantities. We now have the capability to generate detailed reports on a daily basis. Our financials, receivables, and payroll all run far smoother. This has certainly helped balance the books and increase cash flow.
But the real beauty of using a hosted system lies in the automatic upgrades. Our ERP stays up to date without constant monitoring. Epicor has removed the onus of system upkeep and maintenance, freeing up resources to focus on other areas of innovation within the company.
Epicor met all our criteria. We don't even have to think about it. We just know it's going to do its job.